These are the way to give account of stewardship. Don't hide anything. Those of my constituents, children that were able to be fixed up, and those graduates got appointments in federal parastatals like the Nigerian Customs, Federal Road Safety Corps, Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, Nigerian Police Force, Nigerian Television Authority, Nigerian Defense Academy, Direct Service Corps, National Examinations Council, Federal Air Force Authority of Nigeria, Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority, the Nigerian Pilgrims Board, that is the Christian Pilgrims Board, National Oil Spill Detection and Response Agency, National Environmental Standard and Regulations Enforcement Agency, to mention those ones that really came. My advice at this level, and Nigerian prison. Thank you, Honorable Tebiono. Now, to keep up the trend, I would suggest, because this is an issue that is in the homes of everybody, that is finding job opportunities for undergraduates and the young ones. Don't be tired. Ask your wards to check online if there is any of these parastatals that has a program online. The first thing you will do is to plug in there, apply. Whether you want to see your senator or not, the first thing to do is just go online, apply, get your number. Don't wait till you see your senator and then they will tell you that the thing, the deadline is expired, it's over. Because one of the conditions that will be attached to your consideration is, did you apply online? And in these days of computer, normal, handwritten applications are getting out of hand and then out of fashion. So this is my advice. When you do that and you live within my area of jurisdiction, you can get us. My website is on the pamphlet that has been distributed to you, and I have a full functioning office with staff that have been trained in how to attend to members of the public. With that, I will go to the physical programs. In other words, I can see that the timekeeper is looking at his watch, and he says the way Senator Ajapá is going, with all these 24 pages or 50 pages, we may not be able to leave this place.